All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to today's pre-market analysis. I hope everyone had a great weekend. If you're new here, or if this is the first time you're seeing this, what I normally do here is that I go through my portfolio and kind of just show you what I'm looking at throughout the trading day today. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me get it. All right. Let's start with euro dollar. Euro dollar is still in that bearish channel that we identified last week. Let's go on to our 240. Nothing there. 60-minute. Nothing there. They are in consolidation, so most likely we will find quite a few patterns throughout the week for those. Let's go to dollar CAD. Now, dollar CAD actually show that for those of you who study or take a look at candlestick patterns, I believe that's a hanging man, and that's usually kind of a reversal sign for from a bullish market to a bearish market. And price is also overbought on the RSI. And if we take this to this, and would you look at that? It is at the 1618. So that means there's 3 signals that shows us that this could be that top of that channel, and the top of this move. And what price could do at this time is try and get back down to this resistance level right here. So let's go to our 240. Looks like there's a pattern right there that's better seen on a 60-minute. Yep. And there it is. And that is a Gartley pattern. Of course, the rules is that this pattern does terminate at the 127, stops below the X right here. First targets would be our 382 and the 6184 for the second target. So that's at market Gartley. Okay, let's go to dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. We have that double bottom that we identified last week, and for what we talked about is that we're anticipating for price to come back to this previous resistance level or support level that could possibly act as a resistance level. Let's go on 240. Not quite. All right, let's go to pound dollar. Pound dollar still extremely bearish. 60-minute. Quite. Let's go to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Okay. Violated all the support levels, and it looks like it's finding some sort of support right here, or at least that's better seen on lower time frames, that you'll probably see a lot of consolidation in this area. Now price is coming back up to probably find some resistance in this level right here. So let's go down to our 240. All right, 240 looks like we have a bat pattern. Of course, we finish at the 886. Targets above this X level, and target ones and twos, the 382 and the 618, and that's about 59 pips to target one, and about 95 pips to target two. So that's something that we could watch out for throughout this trading day. It's about 68 pips to completion, so it might take a little bit. It might take maybe tomorrow for that to complete. So, oops, I forgot to go down to the 60. Nothing on the 60. Let's go to New Zealand. New Zealand still have that Gartley pattern. Let's go to 240. Okay, nothing there. Now let's go to Euro Yen. All right, Euro Yen. It is actually back to that level of support. It retested it about 3 times. Now RSI still seeing that divergence. So our prediction is for price to come back up to this support level that could act as resistance. So if we go down to, let's go to Euro Yen right here, 240, that Gartley pattern that we have from last week, it's still valid. Looks like price is just playing around that area. Let's go down to 60. Okay, nothing there. Now let's go to pound yen. All right, also bearish and still oversold. Let's go to 240. Nothing there. Let's go to our 60. Nothing there. And it is it. So that's it. again, if you're not yet subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe so you get notified if I have any videos coming up. Also, like I said, I'll be doing this for the whole month of January, about Tuesdays to Fridays, about 7:30 GMT, so about a little bit before the London session. Afterwards, I do have other things going on, but I'll tell you about that a little bit later, maybe closer to that date. And again, good luck, traders, and see you tomorrow.